Well, here I have Bearsback level 8. Already picked it once, so let's do it again on camera and got this baby. It has some very nice deep fold set, so let's see if I can. We need to do some counter rotating, and you see this huge fold set. So let's. There must be some really big spools in here. Okay, 1 and 2 look good. There was only 1 and 2. The counter rotation on 5. And I lost my fold set here. Sucks a little. And we are back. Alright, let me check again. I tend to drop the fourth set when I try to set this pin, and I lost my pick here. Okay, so alright, let's see. Pin 1 and 2 brings me in a deep fourth set usually. The counter rotation on 2 again. Alright. Still counter on 1, and come on, it is set. 1 and 2 are set now. Pretty good. Nothing on 3. Nothing on. Got a little counter on 4 here. Nothing is set it. Let me check 1 and 2 again. It looks pretty okay. Got a couple clicks out of 2 and a nice forward set. Got counter rotation on 1 right now. Okay, think 1 is also set. We're back in our false set. Nothing on 3, nothing on 4, going to 5. Counter rotation on 5. Gonna manually rotate back a little. And I lost my fourth set. I basically lost everything. God damn. Okay, 1 click out of 1 and 1 click out of 2. Big fourth set here. Alright, that's a really deep fourth set, no? Counter on 4, nothing on 3. And we're back in the fourth set. And we open. Well, now I'm very interested to see what's in here. So we got this ring here. Let's remove it. Oh, okay. Oh, there's the second. Oh, it just can. Ah, it's just a distance ring. All right. So it's level 8. Okay, so let's get the key in, shim it a little, and remove the core. And we need a I want to use a different one. I want to use this one. It doesn't fit in, but doesn't matter. Alright, let's see what we have here. Oh yeah, that's a real deep spool. On key pin 3. Some serration here. It looks like standard pin. It's a little serration in the end. And also small serration, nothing too big. We got no modification in the core. So let's see what we have on. Oh, there it is. We have on pin 1. Very interested to see. This is default set. Damn. Oh, it's a 2-part. It's a pin and pin. Very nice. Nice work. That explains a couple of the 4 sets I had. Is it another? It's another pin and pin. Well, that explains a lot, to be honest. Didn't expect that. Pin and pin twice. The springs look very normal. So he got a standard key driver. What the fuck? Missing. And a spool. Oh, there it is. What? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Ah, that's normal. That's good. Let me get that spring back in where it belongs. Ah, do it later. Anyways, let's check the pins. So we got here a very deep spool. Got this little nice serrated spool. I got some serration on the key pins. Very thick, very thick, very big spool part with standard pin. And this one is likely to overset very easily. Then you got serrations on this pin, and we got 2 pin and pin drivers. Well, that was a Bearsback level 8. Very nice lock. That's it from this video. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.